QuickTime recording, take 57. This is Hal Fields. My name is Hal Fields. I am doing a recording segment just to show you that I'm capable of doing a little bit of recording for my Sinatra project. I've decided to go into my events controller and code a full set of CRUD actions. So I'm going to do the seven CRUD actions, and that would be 4 get actions, a post action for the create action, a patch for the update action, and a delete for the delete action. So let's get going. The first action is the new. So get events new. And this loads the new form and does not take any information. So all I need to do is render a template. And that's done. So next action, we are going to do the index action. And this loads the index page. And this requires some information. We need to query the database and get all the event objects and present them. So we're going to need to put them into a instance variable, which happens to be an array, and we'll call that add events. And what we're going to do is we're going to query the event class, and we're going to ask it to give us all the event objects. We do this by using an active record method called all. I'm using active record, so I have access to all its methods. And we will want to put this information into we'll want to render it. And we'll use the index template for that. Next, we will do the show action. In order to do this, we need some information. We need the particular event object that we want to show. So we create an event instance variable, and we query the database using information we get from the params hash. and we render the show page. Next, we get the edit form. Now, this isn't a blank form. It has information already on it, so we'll need to gather some information, which means we need to go back and query the database. And we can use this line of code verbatim. And we put that in the edit template. And I notice I left an S off here. Okay. Okay, that was the 4 get actions. That's the 4 easy ones. Now we go to the create action, which is a post to the events URL. Oh, come on. Okay. And again, we need this line of code. Wait, do we need that? No, we're not querying the database. We're creating an instance. So we use the active record create method using information we get from our params hash. Actually, we'll just do it this way. Okay. Once we get that information, we will redirect to the show page. Or we'll redirect to the show action. And we need a little bit of interpolation for this. And that would be add event ID. Now we need to do our update. So that is a patch action. Let's see. Let me see, patch. I think I know what it is, but I'm going to check for sure. Yeah. It's just events ID. And what this does is it updates. And we have to query the database. So that would be this line here. And then we need to look into my my schema for a little bit and see just what all is entailed in an events object. And I'm just going to paste this down in here temporarily. So and the way this works is at, oh man, okay, I see what I did. Add event name equals params name. And I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these. So let's see. Okay. Oh, whoops, that one's already done for me. This one needs to be date. This one needs to be contact info. This one needs to be message. This one needs to be fun run. 5K, $10K, whoops, back up there, half marathon, okay, marathon, ultra, and organizer ID. Now that I think about it, I don't think I want this on here. The organizer ID doesn't need to be put into a form. Okay, and now that we've done that, we can get rid of this. Thank you very much. Okay, and after we get all that information, it needs to be put into no, we need to redirect to the show page. And again, that involves interpolation. Okay. And that's the end of that. So we've done the 4, 5, 6. All we need to do now is our delete. And that is a delete action. I'm not sure about this. Let me check for a second. Yeah. Okay. That needs to be events ID delete. And this deletes an event. Let's see. How do we do this? I'm going to write something here and then I'm going to check it to see if it's correct. I think we go get information from the database. And then we delete it. Delete is another active record method I have at my disposal. And after that, we want to redirect to, I think I'd like to redirect to the index page. Or, excuse me, we're redirecting, so I don't redirect to a page, I redirect to an action. So that would be the index action. And we're done. Okay, hopefully that is correct. I will check it, but I think that is enough coding for now. So thanks for putting up with this, and goodbye.